Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to quickly use Skype with keyboard shortcuts, message. So how to quickly use Skype with keyboard shortcuts, message. Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Here is an explanation of various shortcuts, messages, in Skype that can improve user efficiency. Tap Ctrl N, Start New Conversation allows users to start a new conversation with a contact without having to search for it manually. Tap Ctrl G. New Group Chat is used to create a group chat with multiple contacts at once, suitable for group discussions or team projects. Tap Ctrl 2. Open Contact opens the information or profile of a specific contact, allowing users to see details such as the name, status, or phone number connected. Tap Ctrl P. Show Conversation Profile displays the conversation profile of the currently open chat, providing access to information such as group members, notification settings, or shared media. Tap Ctrl Shift A. Add People to Conversation allows users to add new people to an ongoing conversation without creating a new group. Tap Ctrl Shift F. Send a file makes it easy to send files such as documents, images, or other types of files through a chat. Tap Ctrl Shift G. Open Gallery opens the media gallery from the conversation to view previously shared files, images, or videos. Tap Ctrl Shift L and Multi-Select Messages allows users to select multiple messages to delete, copy, or forward to another conversation, making it easy to manage messages in bulk. Tap Ctrl Shift. Archive selected conversation helps hide conversations from the main list by archiving them, but they remain accessible in the archive folder. Lastly, tap Ctrl F. Search within selected conversation allows users to search for specific keywords within a conversation to quickly find specific information. By utilizing these shortcuts, users can increase their convenience and productivity in using Skype. So that's it. Tutorial how to quickly use Skype with keyboard shortcuts, message. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.